Let's say what is a Newton School. Newton School is a platform which prepare you for career in tech. It has a many courses designed for freshers and workers, professionals, and also for a woman who is no tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months and help you to become an amazing stack developer. It also has a network of more than 300 great companies who hire from Newton School. So once the training is completed, Newton schools ensure that its students are placed with some of the best companies in the country. And the best part of this, Newton School has a pay after placement program under which you do not have to pay Newton School anything until and unless you have placed with a minimum 5 lakh CTC. Let's have a look at Newton School Launchpad. Launchpad is an institute taken by Newton School for people who want to start coding from scratch and learn the basics different programming languages for absolutely free of cost. The video will be available in the Launchpad sections of the Newton School. There you can participate several quiz and assignment related to this course.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to see best CSS framework. So now let's take a look. The best CSS framework. The web is continuously evolving, and so are the CSS framework that make frontend more productive and enjoyable. In this video, we are going through the best CSS framework in the market so that you will choose the right on the basis on your need. So let's take a look. But before that, why should I use a CSS framework? Let's take a look. Ready to use, pre-built components, create user-friendly interface, make styling workflow, productivity clean and maintenance, save time, and also avoid many of the headaches that come with CSS coding. Basically, ready to use classes are the main building blocks of all the CSS framework. They allow you to apply predefined style rule to HTML elements such as a margin, background, color, and other. Some framework include pre-built components such as menu, card, or table, etc. Using this component lets you can create user-friendly interface without a lot of work on your side. CSS framework make your styling workflow productive, clean, and maintainable. By using one of the following framework, you will be save your time and avoid many of the headache that comes with CSS coding. Let's take a look at which framework we are going to see today. The first framework in our list is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is created in 2011. It is one of the most widely known and popular framework. It was developed by the team Twitter and user a combination of CSS, JavaScript and HTML for web designs. Everyone know that writing code can be time consuming. With Bootstrap, you can save time. A big benefit of Bootstrap is documentation. If you are not a great at keeping you up with your documentation, Bootstrap does it for you. It is a fully featured front-end framework that is very easy for any developer to build well-designed UI because it is one of the most popular open source framework. It is supported by a community of thousands of developers. If you have problem, you will be able to easily find support. But why should you use Bootstrap? Here are the some reasons why should you use Bootstrap. Most popular front-end framework. If you stuck in any problem, so you will easily find the answer of that because of it's popular. It's also fully featured, customizable, and matured and support. Here is our second CSS framework, Foundation. Foundation is the perfect choice for experienced developer who enjoy freedom but want to power of a full feature framework. In reality, Foundation is not just a CSS framework, but a family of front-end development tools. These tools can be used either together or completely independently. Foundation framework is created and maintained by ZURB, a company behind many open source JavaScript and CSS projects. A lot of thought has been put into designing this framework, and ZURB uses it extensively in their own project. Reasons to use Foundation framework: generic styles, fully featured email design, and also animations. Let's take the look at our next CSS framework. It is Bloom. Bloom is a great alternative to Bootstrap as it is featured modern code and a unique aesthetic. It's easy to use and import into your project and comes with various pre-made components. It's highly praised for its simple syntax and minimalisticity but aesthetic design. It truly is a framework that can make a dull web page look bright and appearance. With over 40,000 plus on GitHub, reason to use Bloom. Aesthetic design, modern, developer friendly, and also easy to customize and no JavaScript. So our fourth number CSS framework is Tailwind CSS. Tailwind Moto clearly explain why it's a lightweight framework that offers freedom to developers. It does not come with a specific design, but rather allow you to implement your own unique style faster. It accomplishes that you offering utility classes that make CSS coding almost unnecessary. But why should you use Tailwind CSS? Because it's new design, reusable components. New designs means Tailwind CSS does not come with pre-made components or a specific design language. This means that you don't have to override existing style and can be more productive when implementing custom design. Reusable components means even though Tailwind does not include any pre-designed component, it allows you to create your own custom components that you can resume throughout your project. On the fifth number, Materialize CSS. Material design is a design language of choice of many website and admin themes. It is developed by Google and used throughout their project. Material CSS is an open source CSS framework that make it easy to implement the material design, look and feel in your own project. It features many interactive components that speed up your development and also help you to deliver a great experience to your users. Animation are used throughout the framework to provide virtual feedback to the user in a way that easy for developer to work with. Reasons to use Materialize CSS. Material design. The design language is widely used and people are familiar with it. This can make your own creativity easy to use for your targeted audience. Fully featured. Materialize CSS includes pre-made components for almost everything, but also comes with more advanced JavaScript feature to support interactions. And the last point is mobile friendly. You can create progressive web app with this framework. Mobile like components such as folding navigation bar and also swipe interactions. Thank you so much for watching our today's video, the best CSS framework. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.